everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am laicharris, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I applied this wig, made it look as natural as I could, and my little thoughts and reviews on it. So if you're interested on how I got this synthetic wig to look like this, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so we have another natural looking synthetic wig. So today we have the Heartbreaker by Sensationnel, the curls and kinks, and it's called Heartbreaker. You can't really see the picture, but when I open it you'll be able to see it. And this time I got a little bit of color. I got it in 1B and 30. So here is what it's supposed to look like. So we're gonna unwrap it, show you how it comes packaged. Has a net on it, and then this little stuffing, and then a guard around the lace. Okay, so just from looking at this one, this lace is more brown than the last one. That one was like snow white, but this one has a little tint to it, so hopefully it won't do too much to it. I don't even think I'm going to go ahead and try to pluck it like I did the other one because it didn't do anything. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. This the curls are looking like. Probably gonna have to finger comb these out. And then the part here, it looks a lot better than the last one, more realistic. So I don't really see anything up here about it being heat safe. I know it said it's like a hot water set, so I guess if you want to redo the curls you can do it that way. But yeah, I don't see anywhere where it says you could apply heat, so hopefully we don't have to. I don't know what's going on back here, but look how like nappy this looks back here. Like, I don't know what this is about. But yeah, we're just gonna put this wig on. Okay, so this is what the wig is looking like on. Nothing has been done to it. So I think the lace will blend a little bit better than it did last time without me doing too much. It is a little bit small, like kind of tight, but it does have adjustable straps, so I'm gonna try to take those off and see if that helps. Yeah, so this is as good as we about to get right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It is kind of small for my hairline. So I'm usually a size like 22 medium average in wigs. So if you're like that, this might be too small for you. It's like the wig is not too small itself. Like it has a lot of stretch back here, but the lace part, wherever this lace is at and everything, it's just like small. But the rest is huge. So I don't know. Something to think about. So if you have a smaller head in the front, I guess, then it might work out for you. But yeah, this is what we have here. I really don't have to do too much to it as far as like adding concealer and stuff. The part looks okay. I guess I'll just start finger combing, taking out some of these curls to see exactly like what we're dealing with here, because I'm not gonna keep them, you know, like this. So I'm trying to look at the girl's hair. She had hers all big and fluffy. How'd she get it like that? There are some slight tangles in the hair, but I mean, it's been curled, so that I guess is normal. Okay, so it's, I guess it's starting to look like the girl's hair. She had it kind of like this. I don't know. The color is okay. It's like a brownish color, I guess. I'm just trying to get it to like where it looks like, you know, I guess more like hers. Like her curls are like blown out a little bit, or like, I don't know. It's like I'm feeling like I want to cut some layers in it, but I will probably lose the curl because the curls are at the end, so it might just look kind of crazy. I guess I'll just get into trying to do something with this hairline here. I mean, it's an okay wig so far, but it's just kind of small. Like, it's kind of constructed a little weird. So anyways, I'm going to get into some baby hairs because that's what makes these little things look like something. going to be using the Got To Be glue gel and lay these little baby hairs down. This is like really not trying to stay down. It's just, it keeps popping back up. I guess we're gonna have to put a whole lot of gel on this. I really didn't want to, but it might be the only way that it stays down. I don't know. I just don't understand. This hair is just not laying down for the edges, so like we're just gonna make this look as natural as possible and just, I don't know. Just rubbing all my freaking makeup off. I just can't right now. Like, this is as good as the edges are gonna get. I just basically cut some little small pieces and brushed them forward and kind of, I mean, it's basically blending with my real edges, and this is just what it's going to be. Just this. I mean, it's not bad, I guess, but it's whatever. Okay, so I'm just gonna define this part a little bit more. I probably could pluck it a little bit, honestly, even though I said I wasn't gonna pluck, because I mean, with all this big hair, I just feel like I could use a bigger part. Okay, so now I'm just gonna add some powder. I'm just gonna add this Black Radiance Soft Focus powder. The color is Creamy Bronze Finish. I'm just gonna add it into the part because the part like towards the back kind of like disappears, so I just wanna make it stand out just a little bit more. Okay, so I think this is it. This is what I came up with, okay? I mean, this wig, you didn't really have to do too much at all to it. I mean, there's not much you can do. You can't put any heat in it. Like, you have to actually like rod it back up and then dip it in hot water to reset the curls. These wigs don't do too well with plucking because there's not much to pluck. I just defined the part just a little bit. I literally just combed this out, as you guys saw, and I tried to add some baby hairs, but they act like they don't want to stay down. This is as good as they're gonna get. Like, they're kind of setting now, but basically this like part of the wig is not like going all the way past my natural edges, so like my edges are there. You could probably just like comb some more and cut to mask that like I did. I did pull down some of the hair around the edges so that, you know, it's not so wiggy. I mean, it's not a bad wig. Like, it's big hair. It's kind of giving like what her picture was giving. I'm trying with these synthetic wigs, just try to give people like more affordable options to like still look good, because I mean, it still looks good. It's giving like, okay, oh yeah, that's cute, but it's not what I'm used to. The thing with synthetic wigs for me that like really irritates me is the hairline is so bulky, and just the way it looks. Like, they always look, they just give fake because they look so bulky, especially around the hairlines and like at the top and stuff. I mean, good thing this is like a more natural looking wig, so it can be big like this, so it works out, and the part does not look bad at all. It's just that the edges were just so curly that they wouldn't lay down and all that. But I mean, yeah, you know, I did the best I could. Once again, you know, this synthetic wigs are just, they're a lot. They're not a lot for like the average person, but somebody who does wigs and has been used to like thin lace, transparent, HD, like natural looking laces, when you like get stuff like this, it's just like, what do I do? Even though like the synthetic wearing girls could probably like put this on and do magic, this is probably the best that I can do, and I think it still looks okay. Like, I mean, it's giving. But yeah, this is my video review and thoughts on this hair. If you like this video, if it was helpful for you guys, be sure to like my video, share my video, and subscribe to my channel because I'm really trying to get to 1,000. I am almost there. But yeah, thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.